Step into the 2006 Acura TSX. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: CD player, passenger vanity mirror, climate control, steering wheel audio controls, multi-zone AC, integrated turn signal mirrors, engine immobilizer, power driver seat, and power door locks. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.